2020 M&A activity is likely to be driven by companies looking to strengthen their businesses, especially during periods of prolonged uncertainty.
One of the themes for the year has been one of corporate clarity. I think that corporations have been looking themselves in the mirror trying to figure out what are our core competencies, what's their core business. Increasingly, they've been able to and willing to act on defining what those core businesses are.
Companies are seeking the capital strength to be able to invest throughout the entire economic cycle. There are many small or mid-cap publicly traded companies that find themselves landlocked in the current environment. We would expect companies to look for more merger of equal opportunities, using stock as a potential acquisition currency in order to create an enhanced credit profile for the combined company.
2019 has seen a vintage of large transforming deals in the US. Unless Europe jumps back into the takeover arena, there's a real risk that they will be sandwiched between a more powerful North America and what inevitably will be a resurgent Chinese economy.
Investors are rewarding deals that build stronger companies and penalizing those deals that add undue risk. If we experience continued periods of uncertainty, we expect companies to stick to their core competencies, the businesses they know very well, as opposed to adding new growth legs or entering into unproven markets.
Private equity will be a key feature of the market in 2020. They've presently raised and have dry powder in the region of $1.3 trillion, and we expect that that dry powder needs to be deployed. Furthermore, an economic slowdown, we think that will bring additional opportunities for private equity to deploy those funds, particularly in take-private transactions.
As uncertainty dampens and companies continue to gain strength and liquidity, we do expect them to return to a more aggressive M&A strategy. Certainly by the end of 2020, we would expect to see this type of activity.
We are optimistic. I think it's very difficult to imagine a year where there's been so much regulatory, trade, economic uncertainty. What we hope is that those sorts of uncertainty will be clearer, better defined next year, and that is going to result in more M&A activity, particularly in the rest of the world outside of North America.